Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn off screen rotation on iPhone. So this is a pretty straightforward video. So you just need to swipe on the top right corner of the screen right here. Once you're there, you will see a lock icon just besides the Wi-Fi icon, or I mean below the Wi-Fi icon right there, you'll see a lock icon. And if you tap on that, as you can see at the top, it says portrait orientation lock is turned off, and if I turn it or tap on it, it will be turned on. But if it's turned off and I go to like notes right here and I make my phone landscape right here, it will be automatically set to landscape, and if I go to portrait again, it will just auto rotate to portrait. So if you want that turned off, you could just go on the control center again and just tap on the lock icon. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because I have to reach more people. See you on the next one.